Hello guys and welcome to chapter 4. In this breakdown I will show you how I did this simple cloth dress vellum setup. So let me show you it. So I downloaded a simple animation from Mixamo. It's from Adobe and it's free and it's called Stumble Backwards. Let's just stumble. It's this one here, and I really like it because I like this one pose, and I imported it as an FBX, and you will get this tree here with the bones and with the animation, and down here you will get the body and the body deform, the bone deform node. After the bone deform node I placed a simple null node called out collider. You will see what I did with that in a second, and that's for the FBX. So here is the animation, just like that. Then I disabled the visibility, and now let's get started here. It's pretty simple. So I modeled a dress in Marvelous Designer, I think, and on this base mesh from this woman here, it's pretty simple. You will get the dress and the woman 3D model. They are in the project files. So I scaled the woman with the dress down. Then I blasted everything away except the dress here. On the other hand, I kept the body from the woman. So then I did blend shaping. So the node blend shapes can be done with two different inputs or more with the same poly count. So I've got my 3D model, the woman model from Marvelous Designer with the dress. So that's the normal, it's like a T-pose. And then I've got uploaded this mesh here to Mixamo and created the FBX with the animation. And the simple thing is I did -24 frames, and in that frame range I did this blending between the T-pose and then the animation. So like, let's have a look. So the T-pose and blending between the animation starting pose, because you need a start pose for vellum when you would like to animate something, and then here the fall will happen. So then simple vellum cloth setup here, nothing special, with a simple vellum solver. And then I got this out of it. So I did two simulations, one with the fall, and then I got this pretty cool pose, and I did a camera here, so it's like zero gravity and the woman is in still position, but the rest will get animated later. So this is the setup here. I will freeze the frame here, freeze the frame from the dress, and I cleaned the attributes on it, and again I did vellum cloth and the vellum solver, and I will get an animation here out of it. Pretty simple. Then a simple vellum post process to get a little bit more detail, and I think I blurred it out a little bit. So let's cook that up. Yeah, I blurred it a little bit out, so spatial blur and subdivision depth a little bit. So then I get a group here around the dress, group dress sim for simulation, merged it with the body, and that's basically it. Then I got here a simple material setup, group body for the body, and the group dress and the group dress sim for the dress. So then a simple dome light and a camera, and let's talk about some shading here. So that's pretty simple. Let's hit the render view up here. So this is the woman with the dress. I choose black for now, and the woman is like out of glass. So the body is super simple. It's just a material piped in, finished. The dress is, yeah, pretty simple too. So I've got textures from flip normals. So I got here the dress bump textures on it, and I did a little bit of bump and the color. So just that simple. I did it with triplanar. When you want that the triplanar textures, so this is animated geometry. When you want that the triplanar texture sticks on the geometry, you need to go here, projection space type, choose reference, and you need to get a rest position for your object. So just place a rest node down, that one here, rest, and this will create a rest attribute. Where is it? Rest. Here. This will create a rest attribute, and then you can animate your geometry, and the texture will stick to the right place. So then I did a little bit of displacement also, so you can see it like here a little bit, just to get a little bit more detail. And that's it for the shot. It's pretty simple. So of course you can try out different materials here, for example a red dress, but I really liked this black dress here. For example, I did one test, I think it was with the dress out of glass, but with a roughness texture on it, and I did the body then out of copper, and I did with 0.1, and then the dress out of, let's just copy this here for a second. And the dress I did out of glass. I think that's pretty nice too. So you can play with the materials and so on. Yeah, maybe get some more subdivisions into that. But I really like it, how this little shot turned out, and I will provide you with the files, and I hope you can play around a little bit. And I will see you in the next chapter. The next chapter is the last chapter, and I'm really excited, and yeah, see you in the next chapter.